doing to me? I mean, I stupidly end a perfectly wonderful relationship just to find out that I had fallen in love with a crazy lunatic who ironically leaves me because she thinks I'm the crazy one, or that I'm too complicated to be around with. And then I fall in love with this born-again Christian. I tell her how I feel. I said to her, you know, hey, I think you cast a magic spell on me, because now I can't stop seeing you. I mean, it was a lighthearted joke. So I freak her out, and then she doesn't want to speak to me ever again. I don't know. What did I do? I mean, come on. Well, maybe there was that time when I told her that I was a self-proclaimed atheist, but still, you know. I mean, I can go on and on with this petty litany, but what's the point, huh? I mean, you don't exist, and so life is meaningless. I don't even know what I'm doing here, talking to the sky. Show me a sign. Throw a burning bush at me. I mean, for Christ's sake, strike me down with a blistering bolt of lightning.
Silence, you puny imbecile!
God?
No, I'm just a figment of your imagination. Of course I'm God, you idiot. Can't you hear me?
Loud and clear, actually. Did you hear me?
Nope. Sorry. What's wrong?
Why is there so much human suffering in the world? And why won't you put an end to it?
Who do you think I am? A genie in a bottle? A magic lamp that you can rub and poof out of nowhere? A voice from the sky shouts out, "Your wish is my command"?
But surely you're all-knowing, all-powerful, and all-loving. So, you're not all perfect?
I do have my limitations and imperfections. After all, I did create the universe with you in it.
What?
Where's your sense of humor?
You should know, you made me. So, is there any ultimate good for all of humanity? I mean, is this the best of all possible worlds? I mean, why are we here? Tell me, what's the meaning of life?
These are all good questions. I think you should ask your linguistics professor. I'm sure she would love to explain the meaning of life to you.
Is this all a joke to you?
Yes.
But seriously, if you're really all loving, then why don't you care to eliminate all the evil in the world? I mean, the least you could do is get rid of all that high school cafeteria food.
I work in mysterious ways.
What's that supposed to mean? Mysterious ways?
It means that I act in puzzling, complicated, strange, unexplainable, odd, puzzling, baffling, and...
I know what mysterious means. Why do you act in mysterious ways? I mean, what's the point?
'Cause it makes life more interesting.
You can't even part waters. Can you part the sea for me?
Why bother? I give up.
You're nothing but a phony.
I've had enough of your blasphemous remarks. You're making me angry.
Maybe now you can strike me down with a bolt of lightning. Come on.
How about instead I make you vanish like a fart in the wind?
Like a fart in the wind?
A smelly one. Insult me once more, and I will make you poof out of existence like a fart in the wind.
I dare you!
How dare you dare me?
Make me disappear like a fart in the wind.